Melissa here, bringing you more VIP magic, and the magic today is an October 9th, 2025 update on the Mabrika Cove Family Beach. I'm here at Cabana number 7. Make sure you watch that video tour, but for now, I'd love to take you up and down the beach and show you how pristine, how beautiful Disney has reimagined this beach. I know that there was a time when we had some erosion. It looks absolutely gorgeous right now. So let me take you up and down this beautiful beach, and for your next Disney cruise vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissavipmagic.com. Book with a VIP expert so you don't miss a thing. Like and subscribe. Click that bell for notifications to follow all my Disney travels around the world. Now let's go look at this beach. It is gorgeous. So the first thing I'm going to do is walk down my stairs, and Cabana number 7, I am met by beautiful pristine sand, no erosion whatsoever. The ship is in the background, families are out. It is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to come on down here, and then I'm going to go, this is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gonna come on down here. Now I do see a roped off area, so I'm gonna point that out to you in just a bit. So there are rocks down from number 1, and that's our handicapped accessible cabana. And so it is encouraged not to go past this barrier, this rope barrier, and this would be Cabanas 1 and Cabanas 2. So you've got this here, and then we used to be able to walk down, but now it is discouraged. So yeah, and there's our walk bridge, and then there is the Disney Dream. Absolutely phenomenal. Now let's go back this way. The beach is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm so thankful. This is a green day and absolutely amazing. So this is Cabana 10, and then this is where the food is. Still pristine sand. I don't see any rocks. This is gorgeous. So excited. And we had some rain the other day, so yeah, so we've got 12, we don't have 13, so that's 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and the rocks don't start, and there's a few of them down here. Let me take you. Those don't start until 18, as of today. So let's just go take a peek at those real quick. Morning! Afternoon, I should say. So yeah, these are few of the rocks that we see, and this would be your Cabana number 19 and 18, which is still not bad. I mean, you've got all of this area, and the sand is all the way up to our walkways. Yay! I hope you have found the family Mabrika Cove beach tour amazing and magical. Now I'm gonna go enjoy my day here, and we're gonna lay out, we're gonna have some champagne, we're gonna enjoy this beautiful beach, and I hope to hear from you soon. Book your next Disney cruise with Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissavipmagic.com. Book with a VIP expert so you don't miss a thing. Like and subscribe, click the bell for notifications to follow all my Disney travels around the world. Now, did you find Melissa VIP Magic after you booked your cruise and you're like, man, I wish I would have had a travel professional helping me at no additional charge? Someone like Melissa that does this all day, every day. It is my profession. I would love to help you. If you booked directly with Disney within 30 days and you have not made your final payment, I can transfer your existing reservation under my care. No additional cost to you. So let's get that done soon. Melissa at crazyimaginationtravel.com. See you guys.